All right, hello and welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're back to do a simplified version of how to hook up your PS4 controller via Bluetooth to your Windows PC. And the simple answer is you just need Bluetooth and your controller, and in the event that you need to reset your controller, it helps to have a safety pin or a paper clip in order to reset it. The first thing you need to do is get your controller and get it in a state where it can be paired. Now, if you just had this connected to your PS4, you may need to hard reset it so it's not trying to talk to your PS4. It resets all the connections in here. And to do that, there's a little hole here on the back that's kind of underneath the light bar. When you're looking at it, it's on the right side. And you just want to pop open your paper clip and then press it inside of there until you feel a button press for about, I want to say like 8 to 10 seconds. Then once it's done, you can get it into the discoverable mode, which in order to do that, you press the PlayStation button right here, and then you press the share button at the same time. You press and hold on those, and then eventually, if you hold on to them long enough, the little bar on the back should start to flash rapidly. If yours flashes like slower than that, it's not a big deal. Some people asked in a previous tutorial about that. But once it's discoverable, we need to pop into your Windows PC and go into your device settings inside of the Windows settings. And here at the top, we want to go to the Bluetooth and other devices section. It's the top tab here. And we want to turn on Bluetooth and then go to add Bluetooth or other devices. We're going to click on Bluetooth, and provided that our controller is still rapidly blinking, it should show up here in this list of devices as just a generic wireless controller. Go ahead and click on it, and then that should begin the pairing process, and then bingo bango, you should be good to go, and that's all you need to do. Now, it's worth mentioning at the end of this tutorial that you will need some kind of driver for the original PS4 controller. It doesn't behave super well. And the other thing I should note is you're probably not going to reliably get sound coming out of this controller without having it hard plugged into your computer. They just don't have the ability to backwire that into various drivers like DS4 Windows and through Steam. But if you just want to use it as a controller and as a generic touchpad, you definitely can with various drivers, either Steam, DS4, or I think the Xbox 360 emulator will also work. So until next time, I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to throw those in the comment section below. I can't promise that I'm the magic wizard that can solve every single problem, but I've been doing this long enough that I can probably figure out most of them. So until next time, do the like, subscribe thing. I've been your host, Larry, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.